Hello, my dear friends. We are here at Zipper Gallery in São Paulo, in the Jardins area. And we are looking at a beautiful exhibition of Camille Kachani, who is Lebanese, and he now lives in São Paulo. He's a mid-career artist in his 50s, and he has created this amazing exhibition of sculptures called Photosynthetic Asymphonic Orchestra. It's very hard for me to say it, so that's why I've got to read it. So it's an orchestra of works that have to deal with nature and art. And he likes to bring nature to art and art back to nature, because he thinks that nature is very opposite normally to art. So this way it is a manner for him to bring it into the art and make a connection. Also, it is called asymphonic because it has no sound. As you can hear, besides the sound of the street and my voice, there is absolutely no sound coming out of these instruments. And as he's a sculptor, it's the first time that he's using instruments in his sculptures to create these amazingly poetic objects, as you can see with these herbs and flowers that we've got here also coming out of this saxophone. A really beautiful exhibition, and in an amazing space here at the Zipper Gallery in Brazil, São Paulo. I love this piano. You wouldn't like to try to play it because of the cactus, but it makes me think to the pianoctel, a piano that Boris Vian, a French writer, created in one of his books, where the piano could help with the music create cocktails, a pianoctel. Well, nothing to do with this, or maybe some kind of poetic connections that I am bringing into this work. Well, thank you very much for watching for this video.